I have been obsessed with two things lately. One, mooncakes. Two, soy milk. Okay, so I probably can't make a mooncake right now because I don't want to make a mess. I think I can definitely make homemade soy milk.
Place the soybeans in a large container and soak for 6 to 12 hours. Once the beans have rehydrated, you'll need to take the outer shell out like this. This is what your beans will look like.
So since I have a lot of beans, I'm gonna cook half of them first, and then on the other half, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it, and then, am I supposed to boil it? I think I'm supposed to boil it for a little bit and then strain it. So I'm just gonna follow my heart on this one. 1 cup of beans, and then you're gonna put them in. Okay, this is my second cup. The trick here is you don't wanna overcook it, so do it for 15 minutes, no more, no less. Okay, so while that goes, I'm gonna start on the other method where I blend it first and then I strain it. It smells like plant, that's for sure. It doesn't really smell like soy milk yet, but I think it will. It just straight up smells like grass, to be honest.
Perfect home queso makes good cheese. Who makes good soy milk and tofu? Perfect home queso with soy milk.
So there's like a color difference. So basically the top one is
Cooked?
raw beans that were blended and then cooked. And then this one on the bottom is cooked beans blended and then cooked.